Hey everybody, it's Anthony from Talley Construction. We're inside now, and we're really excited to finalize this series, the video, to just show you all that was done in this property. It was amazing transformation here, starting with the kitchen. In this kitchen here, there was a wall here, and it boxed the kitchen in. Actually, the refrigerator was right here, so everything looked really closed in. We put a massive beam here, and it really opened the space up. Look at what we were able to achieve in the kitchen as a result of opening the space. Now this gives us truly an open concept like everyone wants now in today's renovation. The highlights in here are the granite top, the quartz top. These are quartz top. They look like marble. They really set this place off. We also have blue cabinets at the bottom, two-tone, like a European look. Blue at the bottom, white at the top. Self-closing cabinets. The mudroom was a very good use of space. We were able to open up this back porch area, divide the wall, and put in a built-in unit so that when people come in the wintertime, they can take their muddy shoes off, they can take their snow shoes off. Look at the herringbone floor. Isn't that marvelous? The detail that we put in this property is what enabled us to get a sale during COVID-19 in one weekend.
Okay, this is the bonus space here. Coming off of the living room, we have the bonus space here. This space here was a long corridor. It actually came in from the mudroom side that we created the mudroom. This wall here is what we created. So to separate it, so this is its own individual space. We thought that was a better use of the house by having a separate space here. So we're really happy as to how this turned out. Lighting is one of the most important features in a project. And we realize that, and we really do a good job of lighting. In here, this is the living room area. Take a look at the LED lights. We put an adequate amount in here. Some might say, oh, it's too much lights, but it's not, because we have it on a dimmer. So if people want to get moody or set the mood, you have the dimmer. Another light that we have here is the pendant lights. So we're kind of giving a lot of flexibility with lighting here. We also have the kitchen lights here. And then we also have the task light above the sink. We even have lights on the hood vent. We even got lights on the microwave. I mean, there's plenty of lights here for everything. So we're really happy as to how we accented the lights in this building.
Another thing that we did here, and we're really happy about, is these floors. These are engineered floors. They're not super expensive, but they look good. I think that any person renting or owning this property would be very happy with the floors. Here is the new master. So originally, this room was here in place. We made this the master, and this was the smaller of the two rooms. We made this the master by creating an opening here. And you may remember that this opening here was a big picture window. We took the big picture window out, put a smaller window in, and then we were able to put the tub, shower, and the toilet here. So we're just thankful that we were able to finish this in spite of all the difficulties, and we look forward to our next project.